Alrighty, this is my review for the wireless doorbells. The wireless doorbell, excuse me. Here it is right here. I'm going to plug it up to this right here. Plug this big part. Comes in 3 sections. These 2 are the doorbells pushers. One for the front door and one for the back door. And this is the receiver. I'm going to plug it in and show you what it looks like. I'll be back. Alrighty, I'm back and we're going to push the side button right here.
Are you? And please open the door.
These are the settings. Wait, that's stupid. These are ringtones. That's a little normal. I like that one. The doorbell. It's pretty loud. You can turn it down or turn it up. It has a total of 52. It has a total of 52 ringtones. So that's super cool. Alrighty. Well, there's my review. I give it 5 stars, and I did receive this product at a highly discounted price. I'm going to take this off so you can see what this looks like when it's pressed. It lights up as you press it. And I just unplugged it, but it would make the noise that you chose when you pressed it. Alrighty. 5 stars. Bye!